Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. Today we are going to make Pichwai painting. We are going to use poster colors. This is peacock blue. I am using round brush of number 3. Mix blue with white to make light tone. Now our tone is ready. First we have to fill the background of the painting. After the background, we will color the flowers, and now our background is completed. Now for flowers, we'll mix orange with white to make light tone. And fill all the flowers very carefully. The flowers are very small, so you can use round brush of number 1. As you are seeing, these are lotus flowers, so it is having a lot of leaves as well. After filling the flowers, we will make one more tone of green color. We'll mix green with white to make light green. So this is our green color. You can see the shade of green what I have made by mixing white and green. If you want to keep little bit dark, so you can do that also. We will complete this painting in part 2. Thanks for watching my video. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos and press the bell icon for the notification of my next video. Stay connected to my channel for more videos of art And if you have any query and question, let me know in the comment section. And if you have a demand of any of the art video, you can message me in the comment section. Till then, bye. We'll meet in next video.